Welcome, and let us look at this nice exponential equation that we have. And if you're new here, please subscribe to support my channel. So solve for x, and you have 5 for x plus 5 for negative x is equal to 2. So the first thing you're going to do is multiply both sides of this equation by 5 raised to power x. So that is 5 raised to power x into, on the left hand side we have 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power negative x, and that's equal to 2 times 5 raised to power x. So if you open up this bracket, we just apply the laws of indices. The base are the same, you just add the powers. So it means you have 5 raised to power 2x plus 5 power x times 5 power negative x, just add the 2, that is x plus negative x, that is 0. So you have 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 2 times 5 raised to power x. So now you just restructure this side of the equation so that you have 5 power x raised to power 2 plus 5 power 0 is the same as 1, and that's equal to 2 times 5 power x. So at this stage, you can let 5 power x, which is common on both sides, be represented by another letter. So you can say let y be equal to 5 power x. So then we just rewrite this equation using this new term. So we have y raised to power 2 plus 1 is equal to 2y, which you can write as y power 2 minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which we can solve using any of the methods that we know. So let us use factorization method. So look for two numbers whose sum is the same as b, and b is negative 2. And their product is the same as a times c, that is 1 times 1, which is just 1. So you'll find that those two numbers are negative 1 and negative 1. So just rewrite this, split b into these two, so that you have y squared minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you factorize this, you're going to have the common one here is y. So into y minus 1. So you expect y minus 1 this side. And for you to have a positive 2, it means you multiply negative 1 by negative 1. So we have minus 1 there is equal to 0. So we have y minus 1 times 1 of these, that is y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is common, so it just means that if you take either of them, then you'll find that y is equal to 1. But remember, we're not solving for y, we're solving for x. And we said that 5 power x is equal to y, which means 5 power x is equal to y, and we find the value of y to be 1. Again, we can use the properties of indices that any number raised to power 0 is 1, and we can write 1 as 5 raised to power 0. So we have 5 power x is equal to 5 power 0. The bases are the same, it means the powers are the same. So we have that x is equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.